Hey there, my foxy peeps. And it's that time again for the GeekFuel, and I got it upside down. GeekFuel. Ah. So, make sure I got it upright. There we go. Hopefully. Open it up. Oh my god. Open. Okay. And once you get it opened, that's what it looks like. Oh, the first thing I see. Ha. 8-bit gift wrap. It's gift wrap. That's cool. That's cool. Okay. Getting it opened. Of course, it's got their little magazine. And then their pamphlet. Let's see. Trying to look through it. I don't know. Then another thing I see. Oh, it's a card. Like one of those Christmas cards. And it says, "Are these the droids you're looking for?" It's just a Christmas card with an envelope. Then I see, oh, liquid candy sabers. It's little lightsabers. Haha, that's cool. See a black box in here, but I'll wait on that. And I see, I don't know what this is. Oh, it's a jumbo eraser. I forget what that one's called. That guy. I can't remember. But that's awesome. It's like completely Star Wars-y. I like that. Okay, I found the card. Okay. Let's see here. Just looking it over. Okay. Then I see in here also, it's a Homer Simpson's Little Book of Laziness. Let me get that out of there. Trying to see if I can get it out of there. Okay, let's see. Oh, and it's just got like a little it's kind of cool. Just a bunch of little pullouts and readables, and that's awesome. Then there was a little black box in here, so I gotta open that up. See, the black box. See what was in there. It says Star Wars. I don't know what exactly it is. I don't know. I don't know. But it does have. Oh! This is a Star Wars Death Star mold. There are no less than 1,000,000 ways you could die on a Death Star, but this one is made to improve your life. Use it for candy, crafts, or cocktails, and save your sanity with something fun. So, must open somehow. Oh, there we go. Oh my god. That's kind of awesome. So now I'm trying to figure out, what can I use this for? Like, do to make something for this. I don't know. That's awesome. And then, of course, the t-shirt. Which, I kind of like this t-shirt. I like this t-shirt. It says Arkham. It's a Joker cross Jack Skellington. So that was my Geek Fuel this month, which was pretty awesome. So like, comment, or subscribe because I randomly upload videos, and thanks for watching.